there's no sense of like, well, SF is the headquarters, so that's where the decisions get made and everything gets sent out to different locations. We have a hub model where it's pretty equal. Sometimes the roles will differ, right? So, for example, like LA and SF, we have a lot of LA reps on our sales team that sit in this hub. I sit in this hub as well for that reason. SF might be more like marketing heavy. Amsterdam is more dev and product. Perm, same thing. So I think it starts at the top there, like culturally, like how do you want work to happen? And this is where I've seen a lot of support take place. So within these peer learning groups, they actually identify like here are the core competencies of an employee at Miro. And one of those is like building trust, right? And those core competencies actually align with our values as a company. So one of them is like building trust and kind of working together to win the world. Like there's a value around that we have quite explicitly written out. And in that onboarding process, employees will kind of identify the areas where they want to grow most. And there's a whole like exercise of how to do that that the people team run. And the way I see this pulling through into different teams and how we work as product marketing, we call this like meeting a product news meeting where the go-to-market teams will come and join us for an hour. We update them on what's recently been released, what's upcoming as well. And it's quite literally like a news segment. Each stream gives an update. They give kind of like a high-level overview of the feature we're shipping or have shipped. And we do this all asynchronously because we're working across a 13-hour time difference.
Yeah.
So this is pretty unique to Miro. When I was running this product news segment, basically we don't have an allocated time to actually go through like a dry run or even a time where we discuss the topics. It's all done asynchronously. So there's a template, there's an approach. Every stream has their updates. We provide like an idea or like a theme from the product marketing side, and each product marketer works with their PM leads to identify those areas. And it literally all comes together async. And on the day of, we have very clear like roles and responsibilities, who it gets handed off to, who's like answering questions in the Zoom chat, who's monitoring questions that get put on the board, who's playing the music when there's awkward silences or brainstorming sessions within the meeting. So this is, I would say, like super unique to our team in product marketing, and it's by necessity. I mean, we have to build the trust, and we also have to work asynchronously because we're stretched across time zones. And I haven't really seen this level of like asynchronous work before.